So you're thinking about CCIE, but you're still a fresher or junior engineer. Is it a good idea? Will anyone hire you with zero experience and an expert level cert? CCIE is one of the toughest IT certifications in networking. It focuses on real-world design and deep technical implementation. Whether you're going for enterprise infrastructure, security, or any other track, expect intense labs, complex troubleshooting, and zero room for guesswork. A lot of freshers believe that just having a CCIE will instantly land them a high-paying job. But employers don't just look at the certification. They want to know, have you solved real problems? Can you configure and troubleshoot under pressure? Do you understand why you're using a solution or just copying configs? Yes, it can be worth it if you're passionate, hands-on, and follow a structured learning path. But if you skip foundational knowledge like CCNA or CCNP, it'll backfire. Instead, here's a better strategy. Build a solid base with CCNA and CCNP. Practice daily on EVE-NG or real devices. Study the CCIE blueprint carefully. Get expert guidance from mentors or programs like Hind Networks. With this approach, even freshers have cracked CCIE and landed jobs because they proved they can do the work. So here's the truth. You don't need years of experience to do CCIE. But you do need discipline, hands-on skills, and the right mentorship. At Hind Networks, we guide even beginners through expert-level training. Whether you're just starting or already in the field, if you're serious, we'll help you get there. Your expert journey can start today. No experience? No problem if you prepare the right way. Subscribe and drop your questions in the comments. Follow Hind Networks for more real-world networking content.